So guys, today we're going to try and help you update the Instagram account to the newest version. And all we have to do first, make sure that we've updated our Instagram application to the latest version by heading over to our Play Store if you're on Android and heading over to our Apple Store if you're on iPhone. Then you're going to search for Instagram, and in the case that you do have any update, I would suggest that you update it to the newest version. In the case that it's keeping you this step of an option, all you have to do is to head on over to your settings and then tapping on storage, then tapping on cleanup, and then you're going to tap on this option that is called App Reinstall, and then you're going to navigate till you see this step down. Then you're going to tap on reinstall, and then you're going to head on over to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then reinstall it back, and you're going to see that updates. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.